Hello and welcome back. In the last two tutorials we saw how to create the convention for the different well logs, okay? And we forget to mention some features. First of all, I want to mention that in the first or the very beginning of the videos we talk about the different colors for the different curve names. So if we have like a red color, so this red color is the curve that doesn't have any family and also doesn't have any units. The curves that already with the black color, it's already defined with the family and also have the unit. The ones that doesn't have, like here, the effective porosity, here it's gray but already doesn't have any unit, so just click on it and just change the unit. That's it. So another thing I want to highlight that we forgot to put the photoelectric, which is a very common indicator about the lithology. Just drag drop on the density. This is the convention, okay? And as you can see now it's kinda from 0 to 10, okay, that's good. And in some conventions it's already from 0 to 20, whatever the scale. Okay, as it's around 2 it's sandstone, 5 it's around limestone, etc. for the different values for the photoelectric. Also, I want to highlight here that in the crossover between the neutron and the bulk density, we have some kind of visualization, like putting a yellow color. How I can do this? We can just click on the rupee, the density, and also the neutron, and just right click and click on this icon. Okay, insert area fill between variables. Once I click on it, you will realize that some kind of visualization between the curves, but what I'm interested is to do like yellow filling between when I have a crossover between the neutron and the density. And rather than that, I don't need any filling, so I will go to here, row P and phi, click on it, just here, and I'm not interested in pie color. I want just the left one. No, I'm interested in the right one. Okay, I'm sorry. Then I want the color to be yellow, like this. Okay, okay, so let's click again. I want to change this to yellow color. Okay, that's it. So as you can see here, we have some kind of indication that we have a sandstone here. It's already have some kind of overlapped or reversed direction for the resistivity, but some kind of, if we have some kind of this overlap from our experience, some kind of, we use the oil-based mod. So in oil-based mod we may have this overlap, so don't trust the inverse of the shallow that is over the deep or the mid resistivity. So how I can read this? I can read it by eye, but also I have some nice tool here to help me. I just click on display the position line and also click on this, display the values. And once I hover here, I can read each value. So as I can see here, we have kind of gamma ray around 16, which is pretty clean. And also as you can see here, we can read the resistivity around 63, it's very good. And also we have the PE as around 2.5 2.4, so it's some kind of indication on the sandstone. We have overlap, some kind of, it's pretty good by the way. And if we talk like the average here for the porosity, maybe it's acceptable or not acceptable. Maybe we need to add the phi E. So let's come here and add a separate log. And as you can see here, this is the effective porosity by taking the average between these two curves. So as you can see here, we have a porosity around 7%, 60%, which is acceptable by the way for the gas zones if we identify this as a gas zone, but not acceptable maybe considered as a type for the oil zone. So anything else I want to mention before we can move on to another? Yeah, if I want to change this, also this is what we did already for the identifying either we have a caving or we have a mud cave. So I can change the name to like caving slash or washout. Maybe we can make it washout. mud cake. Okay, also I can play the color left, and maybe I can change this color to a little bit this color. Okay, so if I have like a caping or widening in the hole, I will have this green color. If maybe I can scroll up so we can have some mud cake. Yeah, that's here we have some kind of mud cake. So now by very basic concepts, just it wouldn't take much than like 5 to 10 minutes. You will have here the complete template, and this complete template can be applied to all the looks that you have the same curves. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. If you found it useful, please share and subscribe. Like, share, subscribe. I'm sorry. See you later in the next videos, inshallah.